Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the month of October and how it will move in the rest month of October. Okay, see, look at this particular chart. What you can see that the price of gold is trading at a level of $1980.90. Okay, if you are looking for a longer view, probability of further upside we can see because there is patterns forming. Okay, longer view, that means 1 to 5 or 10 years, even 20 and more. Okay, but if you are looking for a shorter view, that is below 1 year. Okay, what it says, if you look at this particular month, there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of gold, and this is because of the Israel war. Okay. And because people are shifting towards gold, which is gold and silver, because if something uncertain it happens, you can see that there is increase in the price of gold and silver. Okay. Now you have to understand how the price of gold moves. If you look at this particular chart, this is a 12 months chart. Okay, how from 2011 since 2021 it is continuously moving in this particular range. A U pattern is forming. After that there is a fall and then there is a clear pattern forming. Similar patterns are formed. This is the 2-year pattern, this is an 8-month pattern. Now this 8-month pattern is trying to create a similar pattern which is being created 3-4 times. Okay, and chances are very high if the price sustain this level, what we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the rest of October, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart clearly that this is the zone where the price of gold is moving since 2020. Okay, so if there is a breakout happens, that means if the move above a level of 2000, chances are very high that it can cross this level. Or if the price move below a level of around 1700, then chances of moving further low we can see. Okay, in the price of gold. So look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what you can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, I've given the mail IDs in the description also, and you can see the Stock Market Trading Live. This is also my mail ID. Okay, and you can join my Telegram also given in the description. Now suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see. If the price sustain this level, we can see 1998 level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high the price will go further upside and can touch a level of $2014. Okay, this is the price. Suppose if the price move above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 2053 is there. And if the price move above that particular level, we can see it will cross that level and can go towards a level of 2073. As soon as the price sustain above 2073, it will go towards a level of $2090, and from there it will cross that level and can make a new high. Keep that in mind. There is a higher probability of going further upside. Okay, now again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, it can go above a level of $1998, which is already being a weak resistance. Chances are high from there it can go towards a level of $2010. Okay, and once the price sustain above $2010, we can see it can touch a level of around 2045. Okay, after 2010 we can see a level of 2045, and once it sustain above that level, a further high we can see towards 2074. Okay, if the price sustain above 2074, probability of touching a level of 2082 is there. Okay, which is being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and we can see it can make a new high, and a probability of crossing to 2100 also we can see in the price of gold. There is a higher chances of going further high we can see in the price of gold. But look at this particular chart. If you look at this particular chart, on opposite U pattern is forming. Okay, and there is a probability that if the price started moving below a level of 1847, okay, not today, maybe not tomorrow, but if it comes again, suppose if it hits a new high and if it comes again, then there will be a pattern forming that if the price started coming below a level of 1870 and if it moves to this particular level, then a probability of going further fall we can see, and then it can a probability of going towards 1600 also we can see looking at this particular chart. But in the month of October it is not, we can't say. Okay, till the time it is not moving below a level of 1847. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of around $1967. Okay, and if it moves below that level, a probability of touching 1955 we can see. Once the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 1936 we can see, and if it moves below that particular zone, we can see it can go further down and a probability of going towards 1932. Okay, now once the price fall below 1932, a probability of going towards 1917 we can see, and then from there 1906. Okay, these are the two levels we can see, and once started falling below that level, then we can see it will fall below a level of 1900 and a probability of going towards a level of around 1880 we can see. Okay, and then if it moves below that level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm going to mail ID is also in the description. And remember something, always try to set your SL. It will save your capital. Always try to trail your SL. Okay, it will save your profit. These two things you have to understand. Okay, trailing your SL and making a profit, it will saving your profit. While SL, putting an SL, it will save your capital. These two things you should do. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.